Geez, Ron, what are you doing, mate? Oh!
Good man, yeah.
Here's the visitor's tent today. Look at that, eh? Beauty.
With the Aussies.
Yeah,
This is what you call armchair flying.
yeah. And over here comes Ron.
Would have been alright if he wasn't standing there.
Yeah, what's with that?
I don't know, bloody. It bounced and it cocked in the wind a bit, and then I thought, then it was just too late to do anything.
You should have powered up. You'd have gone right through him. He was only thin. And here is the aftermath of Ron's landing. It's looking a bit second-hand, this thing, isn't it? Look. Oh no! Broke one of Vaughan's ribs. Hit him in the leg. Broke his rib. Look at that. It's a bit hard, Ron. Geez, Ron, what are you doing, mate? Oh! Give us a sort of a pained look.
Okay, so Ron hit me and then yelled out landing.
Yeah.
He yelled out landing. Well, what did you say? Watch out.
I said landing, but just would hit you.
Just before it hit
Watch
me.
out.
Oh.
Yeah, so now just give us a look of pain on your face so I can just flop it into that bit of footage. So like suddenly the pain has just hit you.
Yeah.
Just stand like that.
Go on then. Go on. Look, be convincing.
Look, yeah.
Here we are, got an ambulance over at the dirt bikes.